Cars and the environment, the path to a green future. Introduction. In today's world, where environmental issues are becoming increasingly important, it is impossible to ignore the impact of cars on our planet. On the one hand, they give us freedom and convenience, but on the other hand, they leave their mark in the form of emissions and pollution. As individuals and as a society, it's crucial that we address this impact and work towards a more sustainable future for transportation. How to make ordinary cars more environmentally friendly. Regular maintenance. A well-maintained car runs more efficiently, reducing emissions. In addition to reducing emissions, proper maintenance can also extend the life of your vehicle, reducing the need for new car production and ultimately lowering the environmental footprint of your transportation habits. Economical driving. Avoid hard acceleration and braking, and maintain proper tire pressure. Aggressive driving not only consumes more fuel but also increases wear and tear on your vehicle, leading to higher emissions and a shorter lifespan for your car. Fuel economy. When looking for a new vehicle, pay attention to its fuel consumption. Opting for a vehicle with better fuel efficiency can significantly reduce your carbon footprint over the lifetime of the car. Consider factors such as hybrid options, smaller engine sizes, and alternative fuel sources when making your purchasing decision. Alternative fuels. Hybrid electric vehicles, HEVs, combine a gasoline engine and an electric motor, improving fuel efficiency. HEVs are a bridge between traditional gasoline vehicles and fully electric cars, offering improved fuel economy and reduced emissions compared to conventional vehicles. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEV, similar to HEVs, but have the ability to charge the battery for short electric-powered trips. PHEVs offer the flexibility of both gasoline and electric power, allowing drivers to reduce their reliance on fossil fuels while still maintaining the convenience of a gasoline engine for longer trips. Biofuels, produced from renewable sources, plants, algae, and have a smaller carbon footprint. Biofuels offer a renewable alternative to traditional gasoline and diesel fuels, utilizing organic materials that can be grown sustainably and reduce greenhouse gas emissions compared to fossil fuels. Electric vehicles, EVs, the future of green transportation. EVs represent a significant step forward in reducing the environmental impact of transportation. By eliminating tailpipe emissions and relying on electricity from renewable sources, EVs offer a cleaner and more sustainable alternative to traditional gasoline vehicles. Advantages and challenges of electric vehicles. Advantages: reduced emissions. Electric vehicles produce no exhaust emissions, which greatly reduces air pollution. By shifting away from gasoline and diesel vehicles to electric ones, we can significantly improve air quality in our cities and reduce harmful emissions that contribute to climate change. Renewable energy. When charged from renewable sources, solar, wind, electric cars have little to no impact on the environment. By pairing electric vehicles with renewable energy sources, we can further reduce the carbon footprint of transportation and move towards a truly sustainable energy system. Challenges. Charging infrastructure. It is still evolving, but expanding rapidly. While the availability of charging infrastructure is improving, widespread adoption of electric vehicles will require continued investment in charging networks to ensure convenient access for drivers, especially in urban areas and along major travel routes. Battery technology. The production and disposal of batteries for electric vehicles raise environmental concerns, including resource extraction, energy-intensive manufacturing processes, and recycling challenges. Continued research and development are needed to improve battery technology and address these environmental impacts. What we can do: plan routes, avoid traffic jams, choose optimal routes. Planning your trips can help reduce fuel consumption and emissions by minimizing idling and avoiding congested routes. Use alternatives. For short trips, consider public transportation, biking, or car sharing. By opting for alternative modes of transportation, you can reduce your reliance on personal vehicles and minimize your environmental impact, especially for shorter journeys in urban areas. Keep an eye on your car, check tire pressure, remove excess weight from the trunk. Simple maintenance tasks can improve fuel efficiency and extend the life of your vehicle, reducing emissions and minimizing environmental impact. Drive carefully, avoid sudden acceleration and braking. Smooth driving habits not only improve fuel efficiency but also reduce wear and tear on your vehicle, saving you money on maintenance and repairs while lowering emissions. Switch to electric cars. They do not produce exhaust fumes. Transitioning to electric vehicles is one of the most effective ways to reduce the environmental impact of transportation. By choosing an electric car, you can eliminate tailpipe emissions entirely and contribute to cleaner air and a healthier planet. Air pollution levels in major cities around the world. Examples of companies working on eco-friendly cars. Tesla, known for its electric vehicles and renewable energy products, Tesla is a leader in the development of sustainable transportation solutions. With a focus on innovation and technology, Tesla continues to push the boundaries of electric vehicle technology and expand access to clean energy worldwide. BYD, a Chinese company specializing in electric vehicles, BYD has emerged as a major player in the global automotive market with a diverse lineup of electric cars, buses, and trucks. With a commitment to sustainability and innovation, BYD is driving the transition to electric transportation and helping to reduce emissions in cities around the world. Volkswagen. In recent years, Volkswagen has made significant investments in electric mobility and sustainable transportation solutions. With the launch of its ID. series of electric vehicles, Volkswagen is working to position itself as a leader in the transition to electric mobility and reduce its environmental impact through cleaner transportation options. Conclusion: creating a more sustainable automotive future requires a collaborative effort between manufacturers, oil companies, policymakers, and consumers. By embracing alternative fuels, improving fuel efficiency, and transitioning to electric vehicles, we can reduce emissions, improve air quality, and mitigate the impacts of climate change. Together, we can build a greener future for generations to come.